Alright everybody, welcome back to Fueled by Foreigns, the new car channel name. We're in the R8 today. I got the R8, we're taking it to the garage. We are gonna be putting some tail light tint on this thing. Should bring this thing up a level.
Alright guys, it's pretty basic. When you guys are doing any type of wrapping, any type of headlight, tail light, any type of stuff like that, you always wipe it down with isopropyl alcohol. It's gonna kill all the dirt and all the grime. It's gonna kill any oil layer and it's gonna let everything lay properly. If you don't, there's a lot of times that you'll just get a lot of grime stuck up in here. It'll show under the wrap, and you'll have a lot of times where that dirt is underneath these layers right here and it won't allow it to stick for very long, and you'll have it peeling back up, which you don't want. You'll have to redo the whole thing. It's literally just microfiber towel and then just a little bit of alcohol, 70%. Pretty simple. There you go. Just like that, and you're gonna let it dry for a minute. If you can, if the headlights are really close like this, you wanna get the dirt up under here as much as you can. The other basic things you're gonna need, it's pretty straightforward. Heat gun, you don't need one this nice. Squeegee-ish has the other blade, of course, so we're using just a raw blade. And this is this is dark smoke. This is as dark as Vvivid goes. So as you guys can see, look at the comparison.
Yeah, it's dark.
Yeah, it's dark. Really simple. Instead of glassing it, I just like to pop it up right here and just guide it down. Cut your time in half. You don't gotta worry about getting anything trapped. It's just about popping it up. Just dropping it right in. Thankfully this headlight is very, very flat, so there's not gonna even really need to be any heat.
Dang, that already looks really good, dude.
Yeah, it does. I recommend doing it to any car, honestly. It makes it look so much more aggressive.
Yeah.
We're gonna tuck it up first.
Yeah, I'd use the thin side.
Drive it. You guys, when you're wrapping anything in general, when you hear a nice little crunch, you know it's getting in there. See, now you can see the corner really well. All that edging.
Yeah, there we go. It's focusing now.
Yeah. There we go. That's how you know it's getting up in there. If not, you'll just get rain falling right down, and you'll get under it, and it'll come right up. And then guys, when you're doing the corners, you kind of want to whip it around like that. Just like that. There you go. It's all the way in there. Here we go. Time to cut. Guys, when you do this, never run your blade down, run it up. When you're going into a corner, you don't want to push down because you'll just end up cutting the taillight. But there's space, there's always a gap, and you want to go up into the gap. See that? Right up under it. Again guys, there's been no heat applied here, so you're not gonna have any pullback when you apply heat. You're stretching the film out, and over time the film does want to go back to where it was. So when you do this, you're avoiding any possibility of pullback, but we are gonna heat it to seal it. But if you don't have to use heat, I don't recommend doing it.
No pressure, Vince. You're only caught in 1080p.
Yeah.
Because YouTube don't support 4K.
It's worse to be caught in 4K.
Yeah. Here's the before, the after. That makes this thing look filthy.
All right, time to apply the heat.
What temperature of the heat do you use?
You know, this is set at 650. This is a much more expensive gun. The cheaper guns, for some reason, are a lot hotter, so just be aware of that. So basically, they're just gonna burn a lot faster than this. So generally when we do this, if we're not working with chrome, we're just gonna keep it at 650 and just run it down the edges. And I don't know if you guys can pick it up on camera, but it'll just all tighten up on its own. There's the tinted one, and then this is the regular one. Oh yeah. Look it on camera. Wait till these things cut off though and it goes. ghost. This
It's
thing's
gonna look good when it's finished, like wrapped and everything.
yeah.
Probably washed once or twice.
In its lifetime. But this
Now
is,
that's the true form of daily driven exotics. I think DDE washes their cars more than we do.
is this the first official mod for the R8 kind of?
Kinda.
Besides the full body wrap that was ripped off?
Besides the full body wrap, yeah. It hasn't had anything else done to it. All right, everybody, thank you for watching this episode of Fueled by Foreigns Now. This was our first mod on the Audi R8, tinting the brake lights, tail lights. So if you guys enjoy content like this, consider hitting that subscribe button, consider hitting that like button, and hopefully we can start posting some more content out here for you guys. We do wild and crazy stuff with these cars. Most people do not do the stuff we do with these cars. So if you like that sort of thing, consider going into the channel a little further and checking out more of our videos. So yeah,
Hell yeah.
yeah. Tell them they need to subscribe. Subscribe or die. Subscribe or die. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Peace.